Inside your player class, you will need to define the player's position, velocity, width, and height values. All of these values will be defined inside the constructor method. Create an empty constructor inside your player class. So in here, we create a constructor method, empty. But let's talk about why is there a constructor method in here inside a class. The reason why is that the reason why is there a constructor method inside of a class is because constructor methods are actually responsible, or they are responsible for instantiating or creating an object from the class. And for those class no and for those instantiated objects or created objects from this class is to successfully inherit the traits of this class. So that's it. Nice.